Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're discussing a crucial aspect of your business, creating a logo. Your logo is the face of your brand, making it recognizable and setting you apart from competitors. Let's explore how to create a logo that truly represents your business. First, understand your brand. Your logo should reflect your brand's values and personality. Ask yourself, what does my business represent? Are we modern and innovative or classic and reliable? Also, identify your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? Knowing their demographics and preferences will help you design a logo that appeals to them. Next, brainstorm descriptive words that capture your brand's essence. Gather your team or do it solo. Write down words that come to mind when thinking about your brand. Create a word cloud with these words. Highlight the most important ones to guide your design process. Now let's get creative. Sketch your ideas. You can use digital tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva, or go old school with pencil and paper. Translate your words into visual concepts. Use simple shapes and colors that represent your brand. Think about how your logo will look in different sizes and backgrounds. Once you have a few sketches, choose the one that best represents your business. Refine it by adjusting details like colors, fonts, and proportions. Ensure your logo looks good in both black and white and in color. Simplicity and clarity are key. Designing your logo layout is easier with free platforms like Canva or GIMP. Canva offers various shapes, fonts, and colors, while GIMP allows detailed editing with layers and filters. Keep your logo simple and memorable. Use clear shapes and fonts that are easy to read, even when scaled down. Colors play a significant role in branding. They evoke emotions and perceptions. For example, blue signifies trust, while red can convey excitement. Choose colors that align with your brand's personality. Ensure your palette is cohesive and reflects your business values. Typography is another vital aspect. Choose fonts that are clear and easy to read. Avoid overly decorative fonts that may be hard to understand. Pair fonts effectively. Use no more than 2 fonts to maintain simplicity. Ensure they complement each other and convey the right tone for your brand. Your logo should look great at any size. Test it on different scales to ensure it remains clear and recognizable. Consider where your logo will be used: websites, social media, merchandise. Simplify intricate details that may not translate well in smaller formats. Create different versions of your logo for various uses. A horizontal version works for website headers, while a vertical version fits narrow spaces. An icon version simplifies your logo for smaller sizes. Keep elements like colors, fonts, and shapes consistent across all versions to maintain strong brand identity. Gather feedback on your designs. Ask friends, family, or potential customers for their thoughts. Use online surveys or social media polls to collect opinions. Use constructive criticism to improve your logo. Adjust colors, fonts, or layout based on the feedback to better align with your brand's message. Finalize your logo by making any last adjustments. Tweak colors, adjust font sizes, and ensure all elements are balanced. Save your logo in various formats like PNG, JPEG, and SVG. This ensures you have the right file for different uses. Finally, update all your business materials with the new logo. This includes your website, social media profiles, business cards, and marketing collateral. Create guidelines for logo usage to ensure consistency. Specify minimum sizes, color variations, and clear space requirements around the logo. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a logo for your business. Remember, a well-designed logo is crucial for business success. It helps customers recognize your brand and sets you apart from competitors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Truehost Academy for more tips on growing your business. See you next time.